And we're back, everyone. Foreclosure of your home can be a very real thing, with many not knowing where to turn if in fact that is something that they are facing. Our WSFL-TV Trusted Advisor, Chad Van Horn of Van Horn Law Group, stopped by with some resources and some tips to help you navigate that situation if in fact that is something you are experiencing. Watch. Foreclosure, HOA, debt, those are things that elicit a little bit of stress for homeowners. What can people do to avoid getting to the point of foreclosure?
Well, the first thing that you have to do is make sure that you don't ignore any notices from the court. You don't ignore notices from your association, because as most people know, the housing market has been on fire. So most people have equity in your home. So if you're falling behind on your association, your mortgage, that's just eating away at your cash and eating away at your money. So you really got to pay attention to what's going on, or you're going to pay for it all at the end.
Paying for it at the end, absolutely. What can people do, Chad, to defend their home when they are in foreclosure?
So the first thing you need to do is you need to get an attorney. Once you receive that foreclosure notice, it's very, very serious. Basically, the association or the mortgage company is saying, we are going to take your home. We are going to sell your home and then pay our debt with it. So first thing that you do when you get that court notice served to you, or if you get things in the mail from attorneys, reach out to me, and then we can figure out the best way to get on a payment plan, file Chapter 13 reorganization to stop the foreclosure altogether, and work something out so that we can save your home. Worst case scenario, we want to make sure that you sell your home, not the court, because when the court sells your home, you're going to get a deep discount on what the value of your home is. And again, that's coming directly out of your pocket.
What do you do, or what does someone do, Chad, if they are at the point of no return, where their home has a sell date? How do you come back from that?
So as soon as you get that sale date, if you ignored my earlier advice and you didn't get me involved early in the process, as soon as you know that sale date's coming, you got to get in here before the sale date happens. If you don't, you get rid of all of your rights. So we actually had a client this morning come in that had a sale date at 11 a.m. We were able to stop that sale and work out a payment plan with the mortgage holder all this morning. So it's not all lost. Even if it's the last minute, get in here. If you have equity in your home, we want to make sure we preserve that equity, because that could be your retirement plan. That could be money that you use to put your kids through college, to pay off bills. Don't just let it go away. I know a lot of people are exhausted. COVID's still here. We're dealing with all these other stresses, but just do not let your house get foreclosed on.
A house, there's a difference, Chad, and of course you know this, there's a difference between a house and a home. A home is a place where there's love, there's memories, there's family, there's a life there. And I think that, people, when they lose their homes, it's such a dramatic and tragic thing. I've had friends and family members who have lost their homes due to a myriad of different circumstances. I'm sure there's viewers watching right now that are probably on the verge of losing their home. Where can they get in contact with Van Horn Law Group?
We're easy to get in contact with. Go to the website, vanhornlawgroup.com. Give us a call at 954-637-0000. We're actually open 7 days a week now, because we realize that people are living with this stress every day. So if you're seeing this and your house is in foreclosure, please contact us immediately.